It's an exciting game, it's an exciting squad as well, and a certain 17-year-old included, Ben Woodburn. Was it an easy decision to include him?
Yeah, because I think he's, he's coming to the fore now a little bit more. When he played for Liverpool and he was on the bench, and then he came on and he scored on his debut at Anfield, the Cop End, and everybody was saying, "Oh, you need to take a look at this Ben Woodburn." I'm thinking, take a look. Well, he's been in our system for 5 years, I've had him since he's 13. Know all about Ben. We all know about Ben. When everyone's saying, make sure, you go and take a look at Ben Woodburn. I'm like, I don't need to go and look at Ben Woodburn. We've been watching him for years. We know what a good player he is. And he's kept it going, and I think if you're at a club like Liverpool, which is one of the biggest clubs, and you're Ben's age, and you're on the periphery and you're in the squad, in and around, and you're getting a bit of game time, that speaks for itself, of course. And so yeah, I'm looking forward to bringing Ben in and giving him a little bit of experience with the first team squad. Good for him, and he deserves his chance.
So it's not a matter of just getting him in before England's shown interest. Has there been a tug of war at all?
No, not at all. Not for us. He's always been on our system. If there's another country that's just jumped on the bandwagon and started to look at him, that's up to them. But no, Ben's he's a Welsh international as far as we're concerned, and we've looked at him before he burst on the scene with Liverpool. He was playing with our younger teams. So when people jump on the bandwagon and start getting a bit excited now, we've been a little bit excited about Ben for some years because he's been in our system since he was a kid.